Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a post using your Facebook avatar. So just open up Facebook and when you click the three-line menu and go to your profile, scroll a bit down and you can see avatars right here. When you click it, you'll be taken to the avatar menu and here all you need to do is click create post. So you see here's your avatar and you can select of course different posts for your avatar to be present in and just write in whatever you want. So add post, create post, and there we go. Now if we go out, we can see we have it on our Facebook page. And that was it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.